Hello, everyone.
Hi.
So today we are going to be doing the backwards slime challenge.
Reverse slime challenge.
Oh yeah, she's here too.
I'm here too. Hello.
Hello.
I need to put my stuff upstairs.
And so, sick edition. Yeah, I'm sick.
Not feeling so hot today. Didn't quite make it into school. Feeling a little better right now though.
But anyway, I would love for you guys to hit that subscribe button and turn on my notifications. And also comment down below #PotatoFamily so you can get a shout out in my next video. Let's get started. Okay, so the first thing we have to do is backwards, so we have to put the activator in first.
Activator first.
Which we are using Stay Flow.
Stay flow activator. We have to guess.
I don't know how much you're gonna need.
That's the best part.
I don't know.
I'm going with.
I'm gonna try to fill
Gonna
the
go
bottom.
with it here.
I filled the bottom. I don't know.
I've actually only made slime the right way once, so I can't wait to make it right backwards.
Okay, so the thing before we activate it, we need color. Oh no, we need color.
Oh no!
No! No, my phone.
You do.
So I got the color.
Not yet. 1, 2, 3, right? Pause. So we got the color.
Yep.
Now what?
Okay,
So we
so
don't
we
know
have to
now.
put in the lotion. Yeah, we have to put in the lotion.
Lotions. Lotion. And how much lotion are we going to put in?
Probably like.
Pressing it sideways ain't going to get it anyway. So we got to hold it up and squirt it this way.
Okay, that's good. It should be
Enough?
enough. Yeah. Okay.
Yeah.
Did you fill the bottom? Oh, with that, you filled the bottom with the activator. Okay. So the next thing we do is we put in the shaving cream. Do you want to make some fluffy slime, Dad?
We can make some fluffy.
Okay. So just shake it up.
I just want that last little bit.
Tell me how much you want. I think that's good, right?
No, I think so. I think so.
Alright, so the next thing we put in is color. And then we'll put in our glues. So I don't know what color I'm going to do. I think I'm going to do...
Red.
I'm going to do green.
Now, this is just your everyday food coloring, of course. So careful with this. It stains.
So only put like 2 drops in at a time, Dad.
So I put like 14. And it's great. We're liking the 14.
So I'm just gonna put 4 in. I don't know.
So,
Dad!
so this is what I've come up with so far. It looks like a really good shaving cream sundae.
This is mine. It has a whole bunch of green on it. It's gonna be like a really pale green, so I'm just gonna add a couple more.
Not sure exactly how it's going.
Oh.
So, you know.
You're gonna add more. Okay, so I'm just gonna add like a tiny bit of blue
I'm a Star Wars
With it?
fan, if you know what I mean.
to try to make it teal.
She's going to try for teal. I'm going to put in imaginary nothing.
And then the last thing that we put in is our
Put that-
glue.
So now we have glue. Drink up.
Okay. Dad!
Oh,
Gross. Okay.
it probably would have tasted just fine. How much
Nothing.
glue are we going to
I don't
use?
know. I think that's good.
And that is what it sounds like when my dog catches a duck on Nintendo.
Not sponsored.
Correct.
Okay, now we mix. You have to get.
She thinks she has to help me get this unplasticated. It used to be the other way around when she was younger.
Okay. I hope this works.
We're gonna try
Are
it.
you hoping, Dad?
I hope. I mean, that's all you can do is hope. I'm feeling something going on here.
Oh.
I'm feeling something might work in here.
Did I make slime?
I don't know. Did you make slime?
I don't know.
I think I might have too.
This
would
is
be
a
good.
really pretty color. Look at that.
That is really pretty. Super pretty.
That's my...
Here's
color.
my doing so far.
That looks like pink, kind of.
She was upset that I wasn't gonna have that I put too much in, but I didn't even put enough in.
You want me to put some more in there?
Alright.
I don't know. We're not gonna dye our hands as long as you don't put like. Oh yeah, that's good.
Now we're getting red.
He wants to make some slime.
Decaf.
I don't know what I'm
I'm
getting.
getting there. I'm getting pretty stringy here. Gotta get this off of this.
Does it feel like slime?
Starting to.
Okay, so we have to put some more activator in it.
Apparently.
Apparently we didn't have enough.
There we go.
Yeah, it's starting to clump together into our slime texture. But I don't know, I still have some ingredients. Oh gosh. I might need to add some more glue to this.
And that's why it's a challenge. That's why we call it that, folks. She wants more glue. More glue, she says. You know, I might need more glue too. Coming around.
That may be
here.
the case scenario here because... And hey, we might even use all of this glue.
And that's okay. We can do that.
We can buy more sometime soon. I don't know.
Sometime soon. We will get more.
Hey, look! It's turning into slime! But you have to wait until it comes until it kind of gets off your spoon a little bit. Like when it's coming off your, your spork. I'm rolling up my sleeves here.
Hashtag KFC.
Not sponsored.
The Colonel sponsors my stomach all the time.
I'm just gonna add the rest of this in here.
Yummy. Finishing it off.
Did I fail? Did I fail to make slime?
We're not done yet.
I should probably use my other hand. I mean, I got a band-aid on this. Oh, Dad, no. No. No.
Look at that. I made slime.
All you gotta do is knead it now.
Yep. Yay.
Get down and dirty.
Winner, winner.
Did I fail? I better not have failed.
I don't know.
This would stink if I failed. I mean, it doesn't really feel like slime that much at all. I think I had too much shaving cream.
Come here. Thank you. All right. Making it yummy.
I don't know if I'm really failing anymore, though.
I don't know if this is a fail or not. This is looking good.
Need some more activator.
What do you think about me? What do you think I need? Do I need something?
Just wait, let me feel it. No, you just gotta knead it a little bit. It'll come together. Oof.
He says it needed a little bit, like bread. So we're gonna take all of this and we're gonna knead it together. Like so. Makes beautiful sounds. The sounds of the need.
Hey, Dad.
Hey, you got a victory too.
Hashtag goals.
Still unsure of mine.
Do you need more? Does it feel like slime?
It does, but it still feels like a few pieces are just not clicking.
Just wait 1 second.
She's way better at it than I am. I'm doing good though.
He's only made slime once. So.
Doing good. This is my slime!
Finished product.
I think it's more that maybe I gotta pull it apart more and stretch it more.
So, oof. Ooh, look!
That's what I needed to do. I got my slime now.
And you might have to add some more lotion if you have to, if it's not stretchy.
So. It's stretchy, yeah.
If it's like stiff, you probably have to add more lotion.
What do you think? Is it too stiff? Look at it.
Feels just a tiny bit stiff. Maybe just add like 2 pumps of it. That should do it.
No,
Dad, no!
What? What?
I'm staining my hands.
I thought you were talking to me to do that. What did I do?
Nothing. You didn't
This
do
feels
nothing.
great.
So when we first got done with mixing it, it was a fail. So we basically failed this challenge, but we didn't because we fixed it. We were able to fix it. So the glass is half full, or is it half empty? It's both. I think it's both.
Well, both.
So I'm going to.
So
Put
the
it on
bottle
the
here
table
still
and
has
play with
more here in it. We just gotta go like that. Look at it.
What the heck happened? How did this happen? How did the table get? I don't know.
I don't know.
Let me try to pick it up. Oh, I'm picking up some of it.
So I just put the lotion on my hands because it's hand lotion, and then it is.
Oh, wow, it's working. So I have a Band-Aid, so it's hard for me to play with it and poke it and stuff, but sounds like fluffy slime to me. Doesn't really have any cracks. Here, wait, put it on the table real quick. There's some stuff that you missed, and then we can just That's fluffy slime for you there.
Yeah.
It doesn't really poke and it doesn't really crack that much, but if you let it sit for a while in the container, it does tend to get more what do you want to call it? Crunchy, I guess, and it cracks more.
Dries out.
It doesn't really dry out, but it's
well, here we go.
It's jiggly slime, Dad. It's jiggly. Whenever I tend to make fluffy slime, it's always jiggly at first, and then it gets fluffy. It's Dad. Well, I mean, it's his slime, so I guess he can do whatever he wants. You should have worn that for Halloween. It's funny. It looks funny.
Thank you.
It's low-key funny.
I'm Slime Man.
Dad, no,
Slime me.
Okay, you're good. It's not on the shirt no more.
Is it okay to blow?
Oh my god. Don't get it in your mouth. Dad, you have it on your nose.
Hi.
Just to let you know. Oh, you have it on your forehead too.
It's slime, man. You gotta peel it off, man. So we did a good job. I got really nothing else for you. It felt weird on my face. I enjoyed it. I don't think I got any more on my face. Enjoy it.
No, you don't.
Yeah. And look, it's still one piece. See, success. Not bad. Of making slime. Obviously, backwards challenge. we didn't really know. We didn't trust it. Maybe we should have waited a little longer to find it. Once again.
This is nice. Oh, this is like glue stuff. I have glue in my container still. So at first I thought we were gonna fail at this, but when I started adding more glue, it started to come together.